It's your girl Cat's Beauty World, and today I will be doing a tutorial on how to do my eyebrows. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe to your girl's page because we're going up banger after banger after banger. All right, y'all. So let's get into this video. Okay guys, so the first thing you're going to do is put your eyebrow in the direction that you want it to go in. And then the next step is to underline your eyebrows. And then we're going to fill it in and then do the top. This is dark brown. It's just a $1.99 eyebrow pencil. It's nothing expensive, y'all. This is how I do my eyebrows. I use a pencil, and then in the front we're gonna flick up like hair strides. Real natural, you know what I'm saying? Look like I grew them, didn't it? You will never know. So after that, I'm going to get my flat brush and concealer, and I'm gonna carve out my eyebrows. Make sure it's 2 shades lighter than your complexion, okay? Put a little bit on your hand. Get that good flat brush. That's a Morphe brush. And then we're gonna carve out my eyebrows. Now I'm carving out the other eyebrow. Now I'm gonna get another brush and I'm gonna get a darker concealer, which is the color of my foundation for the top of my eyebrows. So make sure you get one color concealer, the color of Color Max your skin, and the bottom one to be 2 shades lighter. Now I'm going to get the spoolie and I'm going to connect my eyebrows so I can have a more precise eyebrow. This makes it more cleaner that way, and I like the faded look. So, and then after that, I'm going to get my concealer, the light concealer, and go up the middle to clean it up and go around. And then I'm just blending that down my nose. Now I'm just blending my under eye. Just being more precise, just cleaning it up. Blending out the front. And blending up the middle, and that's how you do your eyebrows, guys. Hey y'all, so this is the final look. Yeah, so make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Join BB Gang. We out here strong. And let me know in the comments what other videos you guys would like to see me do. Until next time, bye guys. Love you. Bye.